What's up guys, Dave with Fixing for Fun. Today we're going to build a quick two-tier shelf. It's nothing fancy. All this is a glorified bookshelf for my garage. Put all my owner's manuals and that type of stuff up. I've already cut and ripped down the wood. I'm using 1x12 pine for the bases. I'm going to do two uprights with the pine and tie the shelves in. And a couple thin pieces under the front and back to screw it to the wall and support the shelf. And it shouldn't take very long. So let's get after it. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take a drill with a pilot bit and we're going to pre-drill the holes where the screws are going to go to put it all together. It should be tight so it don't come out. We're not going anything super crazy. All we're doing is, like I said, it's a glorified bookshelf. Of course, if it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. We want to start out with making it as nice as possible, but what we did is we marked where we wanted the bottom of it. We split the difference for the shelf. Now we're just drilling some pilot holes and we're going to screw it all together. Now the master carpenter, I don't claim to be, just enough to get in over my head and make a mess. If you've never used one of these little pilot bits with a countersink on it, they are wonderful. They sell them just about every hardware store I've ever walked in. For a little over a year and I still don't have my garage put together. It's kind of a disaster. I'm working on picking it up. It's tough because a lot of people have a very unique setup. They have, I'm a woodworker, I'm auto body, I'm automotive, and they have a setup specifically for that. I do a little bit of everything. I do household repairs and maintenance. I do heavy equipment, welding, grinding, fabricating, automotive repair. I do it all. So I have a lot more stuff to try and make work. It doesn't always work out great, but you got to start someplace, I guess. So we're gonna. There. I knew I had plants here someplace. Had them hanging on the saw, that's why I couldn't find them. I'm sure someone that's a finished woodworker is going to say, oh no, you can't. Oh no, don't do that. Please don't do that. But as I said, it's just a very crude shelf. It's a glorified bookshelf, that's all it is. We just put a piece on the bottom to square it up. We're just going to transfer one hole, just so we know approximately where it is. Screw this together. In theory, yeah, I'm using my head for something. just like a shelf should be. It was a quick, easy project. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours, start to finish. I did hang it up. It is still tacky. I'm not putting anything on it for a day or two. Let it dry up really good. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments. Leave me a comment on what I did wrong, what I did right. And I'll see you in the next video.